Hello everyone, I'm Tom, aka TGE on the internet. Today I'm at Chicane, an Aston Martin specialist nestled in the Hampshire countryside. Near to Reading, a short trip from London, Chicane work on all Aston Martins, your shiny modern ones, but they also go back to even DB2s, your V600s, and to me, the glory years of Aston Martin. There's so much to see, so let's go check it out. So let's start where the magic happens then, here in the workshops at Chicane. They've got 8 bays here catering for all sorts of services, from engine rebuilds, recommissions, restorations, full restorations, and some of it is absolutely amazing, and everything in between. I can look around it all day. Now this room is really cool. This is the engine build room. So this is where the team spend hours and hours researching and rebuilding engines. There really is nothing that these guys don't know about Aston Martin engines. It's the heart of any car, and it really isn't an area you ever want to skimp on. Let's go see what else there is. Another unique thing they've got here at Chicane is their race car prep workshop. Whether or not you're pro or you're an amateur and you just like dabbling in a bit of racing, they've got everything here to turn your car into a track weapon. They've got geometry services, they've got upgrades, everything you need ahead of racing season. One of the best things about this place is the team. You get a really personalised experience. From initial consultation through to being kept up to date throughout the process, they can make your vision a reality. The possibilities really are endless. Communication is absolutely key, and that's something these guys know all about. So a pretty amazing facility, I think you'll agree. With over 30 years of experience, Chicane really are the best in the business for Aston Martin. Make sure you give them a shout for your Aston Martin needs, but sadly, that is all we've got time for. I can't show you around absolutely everything here because we've got some celebrities' cars as well. For now then, make sure you're following on social media to see everything the guys at Chicane get up to. As I said before, give them a shout for your Aston Martin needs. Bye.